Hi guys, welcome back. I am so excited about today's video because it is a very special Gucci unboxing for my 50k giveaway. I can't believe I've hit 50k. This giveaway is just a token from me to you to say a big thank you for all your love and support thus far. I appreciate every single like, share, comment. So I'm just so happy to give a little something back to you guys. So if you are new, my name is Mel. Welcome. I'm really glad to have you with me. And you clicked on a very good video today because I am giving something super special away. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Now, before I start, you're probably wondering, why have you got so many Gucci bags behind you? And the reason is you always comment that you like my setup when I do this, and I thought it would be fun just to showcase like some of the evolution of Gucci bags. As you can see, there's dark brown ones, there's floral ones, there's striped ones, and Gucci is a brand that I have loved for years. And in fact, one of my first designer bags is from Gucci. And you guys know I love packaging, so I kept all the bags and all the ribbon as much as possible. So I just wanted to showcase this because I think that you guys love packaging like me and thought this would be a really fun backdrop. But what I've got to show you is, I did show it in this bag, but it's not something new. It is actually something vintage. For those of you that have followed me for ages, you know I'm a huge vintage lover. I actually just did my designer vintage bag collection. If you wanted to check that out, I will link it above. But I was so happy to find this recently because one, it is rare to find something with its original box. It even has like the original sticker. Secondly, this was very special because it is from 1980. And 1980 is actually the year I was born. So people might think, oh my gosh, Mel, it's so hard to find that. Why don't you keep it for yourself? But when I saw this, I immediately thought of you guys. And I thought, oh my gosh, this is going to be so perfect because one, I'm a vintage lover. Two, I love Gucci. Three, I love packaging. And it all came with this. So let me show you what I'm going to be giving away. And I got, let me just put the box down, this amazing 1980 vintage clutch. And some of you might think, oh my gosh, that looks so much like the Ophidia. And yes, that is where they drew the inspiration from because it's got the webbing and it's got the sort of monogram. And just let me show you, I think this is such a good size. I've been looking at vintage for quite a number of years, and it's very rare to find something in such good condition. Like, the condition of this is so good. I'm going to show you the back. So that's the back. That's the front. And so to open it up, it's just a button closure. Even the inside is in really good condition. And so, you know, when I go searching for a vintage bag, this is like the perfect one. It just ticked all the boxes. And I was willing to pay a little bit more because it came with its original box. Like, I just think that is such an added bonus. And it was born the same time as me. So I'm just super excited to give this to you guys. You guys know I love vintage, and this bag, as I said, in stores, the similar one retails for like over 1,800 Australian dollars. Oops, I forgot to mention, with this vintage clutch, you get this and of course the original box, which I showed you, but it didn't come with a dust bag. But I'm happy to give you one of my dust bags. So it will come with a current Gucci dust bag as well. I just wanted to show a close-up of this vintage beauty. As you can see, the condition is pristine. The only thing I can point out is that there's a little scuff here and here. It's barely noticeable, but the rest of the corners, it is just pristine. This condition for a bag that's almost 40 years old is seriously amazing. And I just wanted to point out, if you see little specks of black throughout the leather, that is consistent and that is completely normal for these type of bags that came from the 80s. The seller did mention it was 1980, but it did start from the late 70s to early 80s. But that is what I was told. This is from 1980. That's why it's so special. And let me just show you the inside. So the condition of the lining is excellent. It's just got this little bit here, a little mark there, but I think it's just from, you know, opening and closing the bag a little bit. But honestly, the condition, you can see it's just clean. It's got the Gucci logo here. You still can see it, made in Italy with the product code. Let me show you quickly what fits inside because it fits a ton. So it fits the LV mini pochette. And this is my Chanel card case. I use that as a mini wallet. My mints, my Hermes Bastia coin purse, some tissues, my keys, and most importantly, it fits an iPhone 7 Plus. So it's iPhone 8 Plus, no problem. And you can even fit sunglasses if you wanted. So if I close that up, you can see there are no bulges. I can't believe how much this clutch fits. I also want to mention that this bag has been 100% authenticated, and wanted to show you in terms of the box, because you know I'm super honest here. There is some sort of slight damage to the box on the corners and it's sort of been sticky taped. But honestly, guys, it is, like as I said, for almost a 40-year-old box, it's amazing. And you get the original box, which I think is so cool. And what I absolutely love about this clutch is, yes, you can just wear it as a clutch like that, but another fun way of wearing it, and this is not something I would recommend you wear all day, but I just have one of my really cheap, as you can see, thin belts. What you can actually do is if you lift up the flap and put the belt through like this and then close it up, if you want it to be hands-free, you can actually wear it as a shoulder bag because you've got this flap. And you know, it's important to keep the belt flush, but you know what? This would work with a ribbon as well. And obviously when you close the back, you would have to hold it because there's nothing supporting it. But if you just want to be hands-free and you're going to an event, that looks so cute on. So I just think it is such a versatile bag. I just can't stress how amazing this condition is. It is pristine vintage condition. But to make this giveaway even better, I know not all of you may love bags or not all of you may love vintage. So there's going to be two options. One winner can either pick this beautiful vintage Gucci 1980s clutch or $500 PayPal cash. This giveaway is open worldwide. And so what you need to do to enter is really easy. I've kept it super easy. So 1, be a subscriber of my page. 2, give this video a like. And then 3, comment below, would you rather the clutch or the cash? And that's it. It is that simple to enter. And to gain a bonus entry, and if you have Instagram, it is super easy to enter. So 1, just be a follower of my Instagram page. 2, like the giveaway picture, which is this picture here. And then 3, just tag 2 friends in the comments of that picture. There's no sharing. You don't need to hashtag or anything. I've just kept it super easy. If you have any questions about anything, just ask, but I will leave everything in the description bar below so it is super clear. So the giveaway starts today and it will run for 3 weeks and finish on the 5th of April. And as I said, I will put this all in the description bar below. And yes, most importantly, it is open worldwide. Yes, any country. So after the giveaway has ended, I will contact the winner and the winner will have 24 hours to make contact with me. Otherwise, I will redraw again. So when you do comment below, if your Instagram and your YouTube names are different, just let me know as well so I can marry it up. And if you are comfortable, leave your email address just in case I can't get in contact with you, but I will reply to the winner's comment on here. So be sure to come back around that date to check. I would hate for you to miss out. So I think I've covered everything, guys. If there is any further questions, just let me know. I will be picking this completely at random. So I just want to let you guys know that. So if you've entered on Instagram and YouTube, all the entries will be combined and it will be completely picked at random. And finally, when the winner does make contact, I will update the winner's name in the description bar and in the comments section below. So guys, I hope you liked the giveaway prize. I just think this clutch is amazing. Although it's vintage, I just think it is so current, so modern, and to me, it is a timeless classic. But if not, there is that second option for the $500 PayPal cash as well. So enter away. Good luck to everybody. Thank you once again for all your love, your support, for watching my videos. I really love you guys, and I wouldn't be here without you. So I will catch you very soon in my next video. Have a great day or night. Bye.